everyone, today I'm gonna do a curtain bangs on my hair. I always cut my hair when it is dry because it's better for me to see the length. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna do a little triangle, but I don't want to take too much of my hair. If I need more, I'll just like take more after. So I'm gonna do a little part like this, and it's really hard to do this on camera, guys, because I have to look at myself in the mirror. I think I'm happy with that, so I'm just gonna put all of my hair in a rubber band like this. I'm just gonna detangle them. My part is not straight. I don't know. I think that's better. I'll probably gonna need to do more after, but yeah. So basically I did like a straight, like a how do you call that, a see-through bang. I take a hair go, and then in between I just put some layers framing my hair, my face, but now I want more like the bang, but not like the straight bang, because I don't want to commit to this. So I figure maybe I should just start with like a curtain bang and see. I want a long curtain bang, so I'm gonna cut it maybe like my mouth, just a little bit, and then I'll see if I cut them more after. So yeah, okay. And I'm using a scissor from Goodies, so I'm just gonna put it there and we going. Let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna, look at that, and I'm just gonna comb this again, and it's really hard to see what I'm doing, but I guess. Is that good? No, that's not straight, but it's okay. It's okay. Well, gotta fix it. I think I'm better at it when I just like come like this and hold it in my fingers, and I'm just gonna cut way more. You know what? Let's just do it. It's not straight. It's still not straight, but it's not that bad. Just okay. A little tiny here. I think that's not bad. The middle, it's pretty much the same length, and this side is pretty much the same length also, but anyways, we're gonna fix this. Okay, no, this one is not the same length. Let me just cut this a little bit more. What time is it? 2:48. I have 10 minutes, not even, like 7 minutes, because I have to open my computer. Why am I doing this to myself? Don't do that when you are in a rush, as always. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my middle part again. Well, kind of like my middle part, or the way I know I'm gonna part it after. And that's when you have to bring your hair on the other side and just like make sure this finger is parallel to your part, so like this. And I'm just gonna, that's a part that is hard. It's hard to cut your hair yourself, but I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna do it like this, and I'm just gonna cut this like this. Is it good? Oh boy. Okay, not bad, but yeah, obviously this is not straight enough, so I'm just gonna really But yeah, that's better. I'm just gonna curl it like this. And look at that. It looks way more better. That side is just weird. I look like a mushroom. But that's where you just fix it with the back. Okay, so I just blend the rest of my hair. I just cut a little bit, as you can see, like following the shape of the bang and just blending with my hair without cutting too much. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with this. I'm just gonna fix it after work because I have to work. But I think I'm happy with that. I'll fix it after. Look a bit like a mushroom. This is my final result. Honestly, I thought that was gonna be a fail, but I'm really happy with the result. This time I didn't cut too much. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. It is really like, it's not a big of a change, but it's enough for me to feel like I have a bang. I can put it on the side if I want like more hair in my face, but I'm not gonna do that now. But yeah, I don't know if I should like cut them more. I think no, I think I'm okay with that. It's really more like, well, curtain bang, like it's just like framing your face, and I don't know if it's like the best haircut for my face, but I like it. Probably not, because I feel like I might look like a mushroom actually right now. But let me just brush them to the back like this and let them fall. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Benjamin.